Hi, this is Amy with Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to show you how to make a crochet baby blanket. The pattern is done in multiples of 9, so you can do like 9 times 12 and then add 7 to that multiple and then add 3 for the turning chain. And I did a baby blanket with a chain count of 151 plus 3 with an F hook medium worsted yarn, and you can continue on with the pattern until you reach 52 inches. The pattern is down below. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I'm just going to do a chain count sample here, not the entire blanket. So you want your chains to be somewhat loose. Okay, add 3 for your turning chain, and then in the third chain from the hook, work a double crochet with an F hook. You can always go bigger on your hook if you'd like. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. If you need your video to go slower, you can always place it in slow motion. The link is down below. This first row is going to be a double crochet in each chain across until you get to the end. I'm going to add a new color, so I'm adding white. I'm just going to slip it through and then turn my work. And then chain 3 and turn and work 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So the ends will be 4 double crochet with that chain 3, and then the rest is going to be done in 3 double crochet and 3 skips and 3 chain 3s. Okay, so now I'm going to chain 3 and then skip 3 stitches, and then work a double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Now chain 3 and skip 3 stitches and work 3 double crochet again. This is all repeat until you get to the end. Okay, you're going to skip those 3 stitches and then work 1 double crochet in the last 4 stitches. And so both of your ends are going to have 4 double crochets on this row. You can always just do 3. That messes with the chain count though. Okay, it's going to look like this, and then you're going to add a new color. Okay, I'm going to pull through with a new color, the blue, and then I'm going to chain 1 and single crochet. And then I'm going to chain 3 and then I'm going to double yarn over and double crochet in those 3 double crochet underneath that chain 3. So yarn over, insert your hook in that stitch of the double crochet, and then yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then just repeat those 3 double crochet. And it's going to look like this, and then chain 3, and then you're going to repeat in every 3 double crochet under the chain 3. Just work your double crochets until you get to the end, and then you'll alternate between those rows. End with a single crochet, but don't finish your single crochet and bring up your next color, which would be the 3rd color. I'm using purple, and then pull it through, and then you'll start your next row, which is a repeat row. So now you're just repeating a chain 3 and turn, and then work your 3 double crochet right into the white 3 double crochet, and this is just all repeat now. And then I'm going to show you how to end the top once we work this row and finish off the other row. So you're going to do the 3 double crochet and then chain 3 and then 3 double crochet again. Okay, you're at the end, you're going to chain 3, it's going to look like this, and then you're going to end with your double crochets. Okay, you're going to end with a double crochet and then pull your next color that you'll be working with through, which is the white. Pull it through the last 2 and start your next row. And this is repeat now. You're going to alternate between the 2 rows. So after this, you're going to chain 1 and single crochet. Turn and single crochet and then chain 3. And then you're going to chain 3 and then work your 3 double crochet and the 3 double crochet below the chain space. And this is all repeat, and then I'm going to show you how to end it. So when your blanket and you have the width that you desire. Then after that, I'm going to show you how you can finish it. This is just a little sample piece here. Okay, so the bottom has double crochets when it was started, so I'm going to show you how to end it when you have all of the rows that you would like to make this blanket. You're going to chain 3, and then in those 3 double crochet, work 3 double crochet, and this is how you can end it so the top looks like the bottom. And then your ends you'll have to weave in with your yarn needle, and you can add the sides. You could add a single crochet on the sides to finish it, and then this is for your top. You will work 3 half double crochet to match your double crochet, and this is how you'll finish it for the top. Okay, and then you're just going to repeat 3 double crochet and then 3 half double crochet until you get to the end. And then since you're at the end here, you're going to finish with 4 double crochet when you complete the top border, and then this pattern will be complete. You're just alternating between those 2 rows like I showed you, back and forth, and then you can end with this top for your border to match your bottom. And then, like I said, just weave in your ends on the sides, and you can maybe do like a single crochet on the sides too to finish it if you like. So this is what it looks like when it's finished. So you're going to go back and forth. 1 row is the chain 1 single crochet and then chain 3. You're going to skip 3 stitches, and then the next row is chain 3 and do 3 double crochet and then repeat. So you will repeat between those 2 rows and then finish with that top so it matches the bottom. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.